The Chevy Blazer key fob for 2019 and newer models uses a CR2032 battery for power. This is the CR2032 lithium coin cell battery you'll need to replace. To replace the battery, gently pry open the fob at the keyring slot or seam on the back. Use a flat screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. If the case is stuck, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer for 10 to 15 seconds to soften the clips. Insert the tool and work around the seam carefully to avoid cracking the plastic housing. This method works for both standard and premium models with panic buttons. The CR2032 battery costs approximately $5 to $7. After opening the case, note the battery's orientation for correct installation of the new one. If your Chevy Blazer key fob isn't working after a battery replacement, first ensure the CR2032 battery is correctly installed with the positive side up. Check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean with rubbing alcohol if needed. If it still fails, reprogram the fob via the vehicle's infotainment system. Hold lock/unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds, then cycle the ignition. Signal interference from metal objects or other electronics can also cause issues. Move away from potential sources of interference to test. If problems persist, professional assistance might be required to avoid warranty issues.